Stop it. Moose. That's not cool. I'll tell you what. Ever since I got this dog, my buddy, my life has changed out here on the road. That's a cool picture right there. He is such a cool little character. And he's my first little tiny dog. For those of you that have been following me for a while, I've had American Bulldogs. These big, like 100+ pound, muscle bound freaking oxes. And they were awesome. Yeah, I had a problem with the first one. But he was abused before I got him. And I always kind of, ow! Wow! Easy. Easy. But he was abused, and is what it is. I won't get into that. Oh, demon right there. These little dudes have character, man. And the cool thing, and what made me look at what, I'm going to turn this around on me now, because he's biting the shit out of me. He's getting a little rough, because we've been playing kind of hard. Oh, maybe we're not. I forgot what I was talking about. He's just such a character. Like, look at that face. You look like a gremlin. I think. It's been a few years. Like, I was on the road for probably a year, 2 years. 2 years before I got him. And man, if you guys have been following me, you know I'm a dog guy. I'm a dog person, hardcore. And I was going downhill, man. I was getting depressed, anxiety. There's some issues with my my melon that aren't good, and from my past, and whatever. But without a dog and being out here by myself, it was just going deep. It was going dark. And once I got him, it just turned around, man. I mean, you don't have to have a service-trained dog to be a service dog. Because he's just a buddy. And it's just changed my world since he's been out here. So anyways, let's go back to fucking with him. Ow, ow. It was an awesome pooch.